How to edit your files after sending it on Telegram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily edit your files after sending it on Telegram chats. So if you have also already sent a particular messages on to someone on Telegram, so in that case what you can do is, as you can see, I have sent this image as a JPG, so it's a file. So to simply edit it, I'll just click on this three dot icon over here and just click on this edit. Just remember that your file should be like a file format. You should have sent that particular chat as a file by simply heading over to this paperclip icon over here, and you must send that as a file, not as an image or directly from your gallery. So I just chose from a file and clicked on this gallery to send this particular image as a file. So once I send it, now I'm being able to easily edit it by simply tapping on this three dot icon over here and just clicking on this edit, and I can also replace that particular file with other file just like that. So that is exactly how you can easily edit any files which you have already sent on Telegram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.